I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You do.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, I'm Zachi and you're tuned to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Hey, phone yam.
You keep me from falling when I'm down and out. Now I'm wondering what's the deal with all these feelings. What is it revealing? Do I got what it takes? Do I fully trust you? You show me only that you want me. Question why in your grace, who am I? But why would you give up your life for me? You're real to me. What do you expect me to do when I feel like I ain't good enough for you? I'll be lost without you. So won't you take me as I am? Won't you take me as I am?
Hey guys, I'm Zachi. You're tuned to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe and welcome back. I've not been posting because my face has been down bad. As you guys can see, dear go. But today I'm going to the mall, so I thought I should vlog. Don't mind my skin, guys. Oh, Sakowi. What's my lips? Sharp. Where's my breath? That's so fair.
When it comes to Felicia, you can use just like a brown box. Yes. Yeah. No, I don't want to be, I want it to be the brown box. Yeah, I make one with a long nose.
So guys, I've been running my errands and so hard vlogging by myself in the mall. So toodles. I just got back home and Tanika's not here. She went to fetch the kids. So what I will do is I will prepare work for them to teach them. So guys, I'm tired. Guys, I made the Uber driver that I used was just talking to me. We actually passed my house, then we had to come back because he was just telling me stories, and then we passed my house, then we had to come back. Oh guys, I'm tired. Guys, I forgot to show you. So my sister bought us cups. Let me show you both our cups. My cup. So I forgot to. Guys, I didn't forget. I was shy. I saw Stanley cups. This is a dupe, not a real one. Stanley cup. It's 200 and something, right? This is mine. This is Tandega's one. But there's no really a difference because I picked up the real Stanley cups. It's 1.4 I think at Woolworths, and there's no difference with these fake ones, the 200 range ones. And I was like, oh my god, imagine buying this bottle for 1.4, 1.3, 1.4. I ended up not buying my skincare things because I was running out of time, because Tandika had to go fetch the kids. I had to come back here so that she has help when the kids come back. So let me do work. You guys see my skin. Siagoa. Siagoa. I think if you have problem with your skin, you know, you have days where you're like down bad, and then you have days where you don't care. Today is a better day. I care, I don't care. I care, I don't care. And guys, be careful, because Amantomazan is not safe. You get kidnapped. Don't take free lifts. It's better to be safe than sorry. Today I was offered a free lift and I said, never. There is suicide. There is actually like offering yourself to get killed. So better safe than sorry. Okay guys, bye bye. I'm just talking a whole lot of nonsense. Let me drink my water and start working, doing the work for the kids. So toodles. Shout out to my big sis for buying me this cup. Guys, the last time that I saw you, it was in the afternoon. Right now it's 5 to 7 at night and I'm done cooking. I'm going to dish up and I'm having sugar beans. When last did I have sugar beans? I'm so excited to eat sugar beans. Guys, in Qatar, I'm so tired. But I want to have a vlog. That's why I'm vlogging. And then I'll have, what do people call it? An unboxing. I'll film that when I'm done eating. Like an unboxing. Or maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know. I'll ask my mom. So, toodles. Guys, oh, don't judge Iviana. I am. Do not judge my Iviana. This is my sub. It's pap, Iviana, ne sugar beans. Bon appetit! Ngibone izindawo zasezulwini.
Hallelujah.
Mehlo enhliziyo Thixo ngibone izindawo zasezulwini.
Prison. They've thrown the Christians, they were thrown in the prison. And your troubles will last 10 days. Be faithful to me, even if it means death. Be faithful to the Lord. Be faithful to the Lord. Ngoba ungekela uba faithful ngesikhathi esiso sasingantete ungekela uba faithful somele esogweni so lana kuthiwa ngeke ulinyaze ikufa kwesibili. Ukufa kwesibili ikuphi? Ubuye esihogweni. Okokuqala ungakulimazi ungazi ufe kokuqala.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Saturday and I'm going to school and I'm sick. I'm not feeling well and I'm late, so Vamanos, come along with me. Guys, sorry for the lighting. I've not been in school for almost 2 months, a month and 2 weeks I think, and I'm back at school. I'm not excited because I'm back to school. And guys, if you've been watching my vlog since I was in college, you guys know I'm not a fan of school, but then we push because we want a better life. And we're late, guys, so let me rush. Sorry. So, after school, guys. After school is after school. What's this? My stomach hurts. We're going to Weinberg, and then after Weinberg, we're going home. Oh my god, we're both wearing navy blue. I didn't realize. Guys, she has a neck cramp or arm cramp. Guys, I want to sit in the sun. The way that I'm so cold. So cold. I'm buying my medication and my skincare things. So guys, I'm going to do unboxing, and also I've already unboxed my skincare. As I was saying, I was complaining about my skin, so I was already using Cuticura, whatever. Oops. This, and it's helping my pimples. Like if I put this pen on the pimples go away, but then the dark spots is the problem. So I'm trying this. I asked ChatGPT for something that will help me with dark spots. So he told me to use Pond's serum face cream, but I want to unbox the microwave, so let's go. Oh, also my, I don't know, where's my lotion? I don't know where I put my lotion, but there was a lotion in here, the Cura lotion, Cura lotion, pimple rescue moisturizing day cream. It also has SPF 15, but ChatGPT, oh my god, guys, I gained weight, so my clothes are very tight. Sorry for seeing things you should not be seeing. But then I also bought SPF sunscreen, SPF 20, so it will be 35 when I put the lotion and the sunscreen, because he says that the sun makes my dark spots darker. So let's unbox the microwave. I don't know how I'll pick it up. I'm just an egg. I'm just a little girl. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. I don't know how. Let's unbox. You guys will be confused why you're seeing this microwave. You know, unboxing another one. It's because this one stopped working. So we got this one. But this one I think is smaller than that one. Guys, I need to finish go bath and then watch Brighton's wedding. Guys, how will I pick this up? Guys, I don't know how. I'm just a girl. Yeah, and this. Oh. Tanya, pause and help me. Pause and help. Come and help me. Pick up the box. Pull up the box. Pull the box. Thank you. Oh my god, this one is so cute and small. Small. Very small. Ow! This one is so small. Can you guys see? Compare this one and that one. This one is so small. But it will do the job. Cute. Cute. It will do the job. Cute 50 left. No. Oh, this is so adorable. Cute. We're unboxing. Oh my god! Is there a plastic here? There's a plastic. Unwrap. Woo! God, I'm excited. I'm excited. What can I warm up? What can I warm up? Oops. What can I warm up? This is cute. Let me give you a closer look. It looks. This is me in the mirror. Sorry for the lighting, but this is me in the cute little microwave. Then you compare it to this, the one that we were using before, then this one. So tiny and cute. But this one was big, but hey, as long as it works. Let me find something to warm up and try it. And here's the difference. So small, so petite. Cute. And that one had buttons. This one is a touch screen. So upgrading nje from buttons to touch screen. You see, like a phone, you go from daily to a smartphone. There is a touch screen. I'm warming up my meat that my sister left me.